Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Cynthia of Cynthia Plans, and we are planning the week of December 7th through December 13th this week for our plan with me today. And this week I have a kit from Ashley's to-do list, Ann Laz. I do have a code for her shop and it's in the description of this video if you would like to check it out. But this is her It's the Most Wonderful Time of the Year kit, and I think I actually got this last year but didn't get a chance to use it, so I'm excited to go ahead and finally make use of this kit. All of Ashley's designs are original designs that she draws herself, so her kits are always unique and always have her particular style and branding on them. So really excited to dive in with this, and with that, let's go ahead, get started, and then we can talk a little bit about what's in this week's kit. So the first page that I have here are full boxes, so they're decorative full boxes, some labels and some checklists here. I think these are full boxes. Yeah, these are full box checklists, and then some just labels that are plain colors down here. On this page we have a bunch of functional stickers, so a bunch of event size stickers, half boxes, this decorative half box, a weekly stickers, some top 3 kind of stickers, habit trackers, and then a whole variety of different icons and handwritten, hand lettered stickers as well. And then this part here are the date covers with the dates actually on here as well, so if you want to put those on there you can. Some washi strips, which these are really cute, these little snowflakes. And then I've got a whole sheet of these, almost like a stitched label sticker. So I'm really excited to go ahead and make use of this kit and dive in. I will say up front that I don't have a whole lot going on this week. I have like one day this week where I have a bunch of stuff going on, but really the rest of the week is pretty quiet for me. So hopefully this should be a short video for you all and we can get through this pretty quickly. So as always, I've got my sticky note over here with my things that I need to make sure that I have down. So I'm gonna go ahead, put my functional stickers down, and then we can probably chat in a little bit. So this particular kit does come with the full strip of the date covers, so they're not individually cut out, so that just is something to be aware of if you decide to use this kit. Originally I cut them up, but then once I got to the weekend I was like, I should probably just leave it as one strip. It works fine enough, so just be aware of that. Okay, so this is literally all I have on my schedule right now. So you can see there's a lot of full boxes. And like I said, Thursday is the day that I seem to have the most stuff right now, but even still, not a whole lot. So this is hopefully going to be quick. I think I'm actually already gonna just dive in and start putting some of this washi down. And you'll notice that during the plan, well, you may have noticed during the plan with me, there were a couple times where I had like sticker flakes almost on me. And that was because I forgot this was a printable kit that I purchased from her site. And so I suppose after all this time of not having used it, something about the way that I cut it and the way that the stickers paper is that I used, it was making it so like all of this like extra like sticker flake stuff on the side, especially on the full boxes, was coming off as I cut this, so, or excuse me, pulled them off the sticker sheet. So that's what was happening. And it explains why the sticker paper is so forgiving on this paper, is it's because it's the paper that I use when I print stickers myself is a very like forgiving, removable matte paper. It's all making sense now. Okay, so I still have plenty of stickers in case anything else comes up during the week. And that was a printable kit, so I did save a little bit of money by printing it out at home and saving a little bit of money on the cost in general as a printable, because they're obviously much more affordable than a printed kit. So let me grab my agenda. And there we go. So the washi is definitely a lot more festive than I normally choose, but considering that there's so much white space right now in this kit, I did think it would be a smart idea, since I don't know how much is going to get added to my week this week, to have some more deco going on in it. But of course I did complement it with the Simply Gilded washi. So this is what the first part looks like, and then the other part here. So very simple week. I'm not sure if this particular kit is on her site anymore, but I definitely know she's got other Christmas kits that you can check out. And of course you can save a little bit of money. My code is in the description of this video, and you can go ahead and check out Ashley's shop. She's based in Florida, and of course I'm in Florida as well, so I'm always looking to promote and help people get aware of the different shops that are based out of Florida, because those women and shop owners in general do so much to support our local planner community, and whatever I can do to help bring awareness to their businesses, their small businesses, I love being able to do. So thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time here, thank you for being here. Please consider subscribing. You can do so by clicking the button below, and make sure to turn notifications on so you never miss when one of my videos goes up. And to all of my long-term viewers and subscribers, thank you so much for coming back all the time. I hope you're staying safe and staying well, and if you celebrate any of the holidays, I hope you're enjoying this holiday season.